El Niño and La Niña are two opposing climate patterns that break the routine of typical weather conditions across the globe. These phenomena are part of a larger cycle known as the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO. El Niño, which means the little boy or Christ child in Spanish, occurs when warm water in the western tropical Pacific Ocean shifts eastward along the equator towards the coast of South America. This warming of the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean can cause drastic weather changes. For instance, El Niño can lead to increased rainfall in the southern United States and Peru, which might result in severe flooding. Conversely, it can cause drought and wildfires in Australia, Indonesia, and India. La Niña, or the little girl, is the opposite phase of ENSO. During La Niña, the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean experiences cooler than average sea surface temperatures. This phenomenon often leads to opposite weather patterns compared to El Niño. La Niña can result in increased rainfall and flooding in Australia and Indonesia while bringing drier conditions to the southwestern United States. Both El Niño and La Niña significantly impact global weather patterns, influencing temperature, precipitation, and even hurricane activity. For example, El Niño tends to suppress the formation of hurricanes in the Atlantic, while La Niña can enhance it. Historically, these phenomena have caused notable weather events. The 1997 to 1998 El Niño, one of the strongest on record, led to severe weather conditions worldwide, including flooding, droughts, and wildfires, affecting millions of people. Similarly, the 2010 to 2011 La Niña contributed to record-breaking floods in Australia and droughts in East Africa. Understanding El Niño and La Niña is crucial for predicting and preparing for their impacts. Scientists use a variety of tools, including satellite data and ocean buoys, to monitor sea surface temperatures and atmospheric conditions, allowing for better forecasting and mitigation of these powerful climate events. In summary, El Niño and La Niña are essential components of our planet's climate system, driving significant and sometimes extreme weather patterns across the globe. Their effects underscore the importance of continued climate research and preparedness. El Niño and La Niña not only affect weather patterns, but also have broader impacts on ecosystems and economies. For example, the warming waters of El Niño can disrupt marine life, leading to the decline of fish populations that many coastal communities depend on for their livelihoods. The changes in weather can also affect agriculture, with some regions experiencing crop failures due to droughts or floods, leading to food shortages and higher prices. On the other hand, La Niña's cooler ocean temperatures can boost marine productivity in some regions, benefiting fisheries. However, the increased rainfall and flooding associated with La Niña can cause damage to infrastructure and homes, posing significant challenges for affected communities. Moreover, the economic impact of these phenomena can be substantial. Natural disasters linked to El Niño and La Niña, such as floods, droughts, and wildfires, can lead to billions of dollars in damages. This highlights the importance of international cooperation and investment in climate resilience and adaptation strategies. Climate scientists and meteorologists use advanced models and data from satellites, ocean buoys, and weather stations to predict the onset and intensity of El Niño and La Niña events. Early warnings allow governments, businesses, and communities to prepare and mitigate the adverse effects. For example, farmers can adjust their planting schedules, water management authorities can plan for drought or flood conditions, and disaster response teams can be mobilized in advance. In conclusion, understanding and anticipating El Niño and La Niña events are crucial for managing their impacts on weather, ecosystems, and economies. Continued research and investment in climate science are essential to improve our ability to predict these events and to develop effective strategies for adaptation and resilience. By learning about El Niño and La Niña, we can better appreciate the complexity of our planet's climate system and the interconnectedness of global weather patterns. This knowledge empowers us to take informed actions to protect our communities and the environment in the face of these powerful natural phenomena.